In front of me is Nevin phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. You need to begin by locating an app called Files, and that's already on your device. This one. When you find it, click on it and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Now select Clean. Tap on Clean under Junk Files and hit Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was already cleaned. But if yours has a junk file or more than one, it will definitely help. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!